So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will tell you that how to make the plus minus pattern in Rubik's Cube. It is a well-known pattern. It is like this. Here will be plus and these four corners will be yellow. I mean to say that the opposite sides color will be on the corners. Here will be minus, here will be plus, here will be minus, and these two sides will remain as it is. I mean to say that they would be solved. So let's start the video. So first of all, we have to move the topmost layer, which is this one. We have to move it towards the left or right twice. The result will be same. So 1, 2. And now the left line upwards or downwards twice. The result will be same. So 1, 2. The same with the right line. 1, 2. So the 50% of step is completed. Now the same what we have done till now. The topmost layer towards the left or right twice. 1, 2. The left line upwards twice. 1, 2. Now the right, same with the right line. 1, 2. So here it is. This is the plus, this is the minus, plus, minus, and these two sides are as they were. So if you want to get back the solved Rubik's Cube, then there's no problem. First of all, you have to move the left line towards the bottom twice. So 1, 2. And now the right line towards the bottom. 1, 2. Now the topmost layer towards the left or right twice. 1, 2. 50% of it is done. Now we have to move this left line towards the bottom twice again. 1, 2. Now this one towards the bottom, the right line, the same thing. We have done with the left line. 1, 2. And then the topmost layer towards the left or right twice. 1, 2. So it was easy, isn't it? So let's do it once again. First of all, the topmost layer twice. 1, 2. Then the left line. 1, 2. Then the right line. 1, 2. 50% of it is done. So again, 1, 2. Then 1, 2. 1, 2. So it's completed. Now let's go back to the solved cube. 1, 2. Oh, sorry. 1, 2. The left line towards the bottom. Then the right line. 1, 2. Then topmost layer. 1, 2. Then the left line. 1, 2. Then the right line. 1, 2. Then the topmost layer. 1, 2. So now I will do this once again without instructing, and I will do this a bit faster. So 1. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you think that this video was useful to you, then please give it a like. I need your support very much. It's very important to me, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more content on Rubik's Cube and on other things also. And also comment down your demands to watch the videos of only your demands. So thank you guys, and keep your family safe, be safe, and goodbye.